Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to delete all emails in Gmail at once in iPhone. So first what you have to do, first add the Gmail account. Make sure to add it to mail also, and make sure to turn on mail option. From here, when you add it, you'll get on all the inboxes. So what you have to do, tap on edit, tap on select all. Now you'll get three options. If your Gmail is connected with iCloud, you'll get three options: mark, move, or you'll get archive. But if it is not connected, you'll get a trash option. What you have to do, make sure either you send it to archive or tap on mark. From here, tap on move to junk. If you select to move to junk, all the emails will move to junk. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.